sellers, if you are thinking of moving to a smaller house, more manageable home, or perhaps looking to move abroad, maybe a warmer climate, or even take advantage of equity in your home for yourself, or maybe help out the kids, I have a fantastic opportunity for you. I have prepared this free guide just for you. It is packed with tips, checklists, and everything you need to know to make your move smooth and stress-free. Hi, I'm Suma Sridhar, realtor and real estate broker in the Bay Area, helping people just like you transition to the next chapter of their life. Whether it is to save money, finally live life on your own terms, or get rid of maintenance cost on your current house, downsizing could be a good option for you and give you that financial freedom that maybe you have always dreamed of. However, making a lifestyle change can be very stressful. Where do you go? How do you find the perfect place? How do you move forward? And where do you even start? So, I am offering you this free downsizing guide that includes everything you need to know to consider before downsizing to make sure that you have a smooth transition. So, what are you waiting for? Click the button below and get it now for free. Thank you so much.